Today we are going to talk about ways to maintain weight after losing it. Losing weight is fairly easy, keeping it off is what is hard. Learn how to maintain weight after it's lost, despite the obstacles. Find out what you need to focus on in order to keep your new frame. If you are new to the channel, please like and subscribe to the channel, so that you don't miss any video. We upload new videos every day. Your support is highly appreciated. 5 tips for maintaining weight loss for a lifetime. 1. Exercise regularly. Most people who successfully keep their weight off for a long period of time commit to workouts at least an hour a day 5 days a week. Try in 1 hour on the treadmill 5 days a week, or light weight lifting and stretching. Regular exercise is a must. 2. Plan your meals and snacks. Don't leave yourself vulnerable to being overly hungry and not having anything on hand to make a healthy meal. It's too easy to turn to convenience foods that can quickly send you over your daily calorie needs. Try to have a plan, shop with your list and stick to healthy choices. 3. Stay hydrated. Drinking lots of water can make a big difference in your overall health, your feelings of fullness, your digestion and your body's ability to operate at its best. 4. Eat breakfast every day. People who have always maintained a healthy weight are daily breakfast eaters. 5. Eat lots of protein. Eating a lot of protein may help you maintain your weight, since protein can help reduce appetite and promote fullness. Many people think that when they lose all of the weight that they are done, but, in fact, they are entering a new stage of self-care that requires staying consistent with healthy habits. The good news is when you're consistent with your nutrition, exercise, you end up establishing a new, healthier normal lifestyle for yourself. Thank you for watching, see you again on the next tutorial. Don't forget to access keto diet resources to help you learn and understand nutrition and weight loss. Check the link in description for more details.